Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a smartwatch that blends style with serious health tracking, but tired of bulky watches that look clunky on smaller wrists, have short battery life, or lack advanced features like sleep coaching and body battery monitoring, then get excited because today we're strapping on a fitness fashion icon. It's the Garmin Venu 3S. This sleek watch has a vibrant AMOLED touchscreen, up to 11 days of battery life, and comprehensive wellness tools like heart rate, stress tracking, and workout suggestions. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want a stylish daily companion that tracks your health, fitness, and notifications with pro accuracy, this is the watch that'll keep you motivated and looking sharp. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break it down and see why it's a winning wear in 2026. First, the feature breakdown on the Garmin Venu 3S. This is a compact smartwatch with a 1.2-inch AMOLED display that's bright and colourful, protected by Gorilla Glass 3 for scratch resistance in a 41mm case that's lightweight at just 1.4 ounces with a soft silicone band for all-day comfort. It has advanced health monitoring with 24/7 heart rate tracking using Garmin's Elevate sensor, sleep coaching with detailed stages and scores, body battery to gauge your energy levels, and stress monitoring with relaxation reminders. Fitness features include built-in GPS for accurate outdoor tracking, over 30 sports apps for running, yoga, strength training, and more, with animated workouts and Garmin Coach for personalized plans. It stores music for up to 650 songs, supports Garmin Pay for contactless payments, and shows smart notifications for calls, texts, and apps when connected to your phone via Bluetooth. Battery life lasts up to 11 days in smartwatch mode or 5 hours with GPS and music, charging quickly with the included cable. It's water resistant to 5 ATM for swims or showers, and the Garmin Connect app syncs data for insights, challenges, and community. Priced around $299, it comes in stylish colours like slate or rose gold for a premium look. Versatility is huge. Wear it as a daily tracker for health metrics or during workouts for performance data, and the music and payments make it a true smart companion without needing your phone. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are wearing strong, vibrant AMOLED screen for easy viewing, long 11-day battery for less charging hassle, comprehensive health and fitness tracking for motivation and insights, lightweight, comfortable design for all-day wear, and smart features like music and payments for convenience. Users love how it provides detailed sleep and energy data to improve wellness, the accurate DPS for runs, and the stylish look that fits any outfit. It's reliable, user-friendly, and helps build better habits. On the con side, the 41mm size might be small for larger wrists. No built-in cellular, so it relies on your phone for some features. Advanced metrics require the app for full analysis. And some note the band can collect sweat during intense workouts, though most say it's breathable. Overall, pros dominate for active lifestyles. My recommendation? Absolutely go for the Garmin Venu 3S if you want a smartwatch for health and fitness, and the pros like battery life, tracking accuracy, and style make sense for you. It's ideal for wellness-focused users, runners, or anyone wanting a versatile daily wear without bulk. Before we wrap, if these reviews get your fitness tracking, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a fitness friend, or subscribe for more. See you next time.